Happy Wednesday. We hope you're having a fantastic fall wherever you are. Thank you for joining us live today. I'm coming to you from Scottsdale, Arizona, and we are actually below 100 degrees today, which is very exciting for us here. So thank you for joining us. We go live every Wednesday at 12:30 here at Esthetic Solutions. If you're just joining us for the first time, I'm Emily Tryon. I'm a registered nurse and I'm the CEO and founder of Esthetic Solutions, which is a high-end med spa and wellness clinic located in North Scottsdale, Arizona. We are right by the Scottsdale Air Park, and we are very blessed to have patients fly to us from all over the world. We love taking care of you here. A couple of things have set me on the map that have had me become a top 1% injector in the nation over the past 3 years. And I would say that that is because I love doing combination therapy and I've mastered advanced injection techniques, one of which I'm actually going to discuss in detail with you today. You're not going to want to miss this today, you guys, so stay tuned. So, as we come to you live from Scottsdale today, I know Halloween is right around the corner, and I'm seeing Halloween stores popping up everywhere. So whether you're going to be enjoying your Halloween in your home with your family or going to be out and about, please do stay safe. And have you ever looked in the mirror lately over your mask that everyone's wearing these days and seen these dark hollows and dark circles under your eyes? Those are fantastic for Halloween, but you don't want to see these every day. So we do know that when your eyes look tired, you feel tired. And so what you see when you look in the mirror does make a really big difference. And it impacts how you feel. So we're going into the holiday season and you're going to want to look refreshed whenever you go back home or wherever you're going for your holiday parties, especially when you see that ex that you really don't want to see. You want to look your best, right? So I would say that tear trough rejuvenation is one of the most rewarding procedures that we perform here at Esthetic Solutions. And if you are a patient and you're joining us live today on the Aesthetic Edit, you know that that is something that we are known for here at Esthetic Solutions. And I have trained my team of injectors on advanced injection techniques with tear trough fillers. So what are tear troughs? Well, those are those hollows that you see right below your eye area when you look in the mirror. What causes those tear trough hollows to occur is, well, it can be genetic, quite honestly, because I have some young guys and gals who come to me who are in their early 20s and tell me that they have had these dark circles here their entire life. And oftentimes whenever you have dark circles, you have hollowing. They're kind of like you have one, you have the other. It's a terrible package. So when you have the dark circles, you have the hollowing, you have the hollowing, you have the dark circles. Well, what is causing those? Well, dark circles we know are caused generally by congestion in this area. That can be impacted by lack of sleep. When you're fatigued, all of your circulation tends to slow down and pool a little bit in specific areas of the body. And under the eyes is one of those areas where you see that, which is why when people look in the mirror and they look tired, they say, I feel tired. It makes sense, right? So that's one reason. The other reason that you can have dark circles and also hollowing under the eyes is because you've lost collagen. This can be genetic as well. It can be passed on from mom or dad. You know, I'll oftentimes have younger patients say, everybody in my family has these hollows under their eyes. So as we age, we know that we lose collagen as well. Stress can also play a really big factor in looking tired, losing collagen, and having dark circles and hollows under your eyes as well. So the good news is we have an answer for you here at Esthetic Solutions. We have a solution. That's what we're known for. And so I use an advanced injection technique to treat tear trough hollowing and dark circles because it is a 2-for-1. When we restore the volume that's been lost under the eyes, we're creating a little cushion between that thin layer of skin under the eyes and your little capillary beds. So your capillary beds, which are an extension of your blood vessels, which do hide out under your eyes here, if there's no collagen cushion between your skin, your dermal layer, and your capillary beds, all of those dark blood vessels are going to show through. That's what causes the dark circles. So please, 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 I always say, do not waste your money on over-the-counter eye creams that promise to disappear your dark circles. They don't work. That's my hot tip for today, you guys. Don't buy over-the-counter eye creams that promise to disappear your dark circles, diminish your fine lines and wrinkles. None of those actually work. They have to have either a medical grade ingredient in them that helps to disperse a little bit of the heme stain under there, which we do carry, and I'm going to tell you about that here in a second. Or you simply have a loss of collagen. There's no eye cream in the world that's going to restore collagen below the dermal layer of skin. All right? So if you have questions and you're feeling confused and all you know is that when you look in the mirror, you can't stand these dark circles and hollows that you see under your eyes, give our office a call, or you can text us 9 to 5 Monday through Friday, 480-280-6062. We'll be happy to take care of you. We'll get you scheduled for a consultation. We'll bring you in, we'll take a look, and then we'll decide what's the best treatment for you. If we recommend that you have a little bit of filler in the under eye area, this is going to make a huge difference. First, what I like to do is treat you with just a little bit of Botox around the eye area. This is a painless procedure. Trust me, I'm the biggest needle phobe in the world. We have all kinds of tips and tricks here. We have amazing medical assistants who will take really good care of you and make sure that you have a really pleasant experience. And we'll do just a series of little teeny tiny dewdrop injections in this area. Really, you'd be surprised at how painless it is. If I can do it, trust me, you can. So if you're just joining us, drop an emoji down below, say hello. We're so happy that you're joining us here on Wednesday in fall. So fantastic, I'm so glad to see you. Hi Hannah, thank you for joining us today. So if we decide that we're going to do a little bit of filler in this area, first I'd like to treat you with Botox in this area or a neurotoxin of your choice. We carry every dermal filler and neurotoxin made in America here in our office at Esthetic Solutions. Then I like to let your Botox kick in. It doesn't work for 2 to 10 days, so we'll see you back 2 weeks later. And at day 14, we'll bring you in because we've slowed the muscle movement down, which means your filler will last longer and you'll have your best outcome. That's what we're here for, and make sure you have your best result. When we bring you back 2 weeks later, you'll have a little bit less movement and your lines will have softened. Then we can go in and put a little bit of filler in those hollows under your eyes. Your filler will probably last you for a year, maybe even longer. That's the exciting part about it. So Botox, and we want to see you every 3 months like clockwork here in our office. I recommend that you see us 4 times a year for your neurotoxins. Your dermal fillers are going to last longer. So I do dermal filler training nationwide, and this is an advanced injection technique that I come in and train an entire day of training in your office. I think that you learn best in your own environment with your own patients and your own supplies. And I have been training and injecting tear troughs with dermal fillers using a cannula technique for 7 years. So I have literally done so many of these that I could do it in my sleep. And it's really important that you do see an injector who has experience doing this procedure. It's actually a relatively safe procedure, surprisingly. You'd think the eye area would be a little dangerous. Well, it's all dangerous, which is why it's really important that you do come to someone who is experienced. And if you're an injector and you're joining us, welcome. And I do offer training nationwide. You can also text or call our office at the same number at 480-280-6062 and book for training. I am booking into 2021. So give us a call and we'll be sure and get you scheduled for your intake call. So what is a cannula? A cannula is a blunt tip stainless steel cannula. And so the injection procedure that we use to fill tear trough hollows with dermal fillers is actually not with a needle. Yay! So with the old technique back in the day, we did poke all the way around with a needle. It was painful, there was often bruising, there was a lot of downtime, but I trained my injectors how to use a cannula, which is very exciting. And so when we use a cannula, there's no needle, there's far less bruising, there's no downtime. Literally, I tell you, when you leave, you will look like a porcelain statue because you're instantly filled. You look like you've just slept for 8 hours. Your eyes will look amazing. Now, I do want you to always protect your investment here at Esthetic Solutions, so we recommend that you use a quality, medical-grade eye cream. One of my favorites is called our Instant Bright Eye Cream. It is a Skin Medica product. You can purchase it through our website, or you can pop into the office 9 to 5 Monday through Friday, and we'll send you home with your very own if you want to purchase right away. This is going in everyone's stocking this year, you guys. Over the holiday season, this is my go-to because who doesn't look tired? 2020 has been a stressful year. and who couldn't use a little pick-me-up and an instant bright cream here that could make a difference for somebody in your life that you love, men and women both. We know, I have a lot of men who come in and that's what they point out first. They say, I see my eyes, I see my crow's feet. Can you please do something about that? We know that men age differently than we do as women, but it matters to everyone because we're living longer, we have better qualities of life, and so we want to look good. So the Instant Bright Eye Cream, I love this product. Here's my tip number 2 for the day. You're gonna have a little eye cream through here, dot, dot, dab all the way around your eye area. Make sure you're getting up in the brow bone area, and if you have a little bit left over, here's my hot tip, put it on your lips. Lips lose collagen and hydration as we age. You get a little bit of wrinkling in the lip, and so you can protect your investment. If you have lip filler, you can slow the aging process. If you don't have lip filler and you just love your gorgeous, beautiful lips to begin with, a little bit left over on the lips, especially at bedtime, because your body does rejuvenate while you sleep. And for the month of October and November, when you purchase an Instant Bright Eye Cream here in our office, you will also receive a complimentary Instant Bright Eye Mask. I am obsessed with these, you guys. I especially love to do these on the weekends because sometimes I'll eat a little bit of extra salty food on the weekends. And so when I wake up the next morning, I've got these, lovely bags under my eyes. So our eye masks are fantastic. They just peel off. And I've used a lot of eye masks over the years. I'm a self-proclaimed product junkie. And so I've tried all the ones that don't really work. And actually the weirdest thing about most of these little eye masks is when you peel them off, they're goopy and gunky and they kind of ball up and they're sort of disgusting. Don't use those, use ours. Ours are the best. So Skin Medica, you can purchase these directly from the website as well. Or just pop by our office and purchase your Instant Bright Eye Cream, and then you'll receive a pack of complimentary eye masks, and everybody does come back and purchase these. So, okay, I am so ready for Halloween now. This is very, very exciting. I think I'm gonna be Waldo's girlfriend this year. Where's Waldo? Who remembers Where's Waldo? Oh my gosh, see, I know, everybody knows Where's Waldo. I wanna be Where's Waldo's girlfriend. Happy fall, everybody. I hope you're having a great week. If you're enjoying fall break because you or your kids are out of school, enjoy. Set your alarm. Join us next Wednesday when we come live to you again at 12:30 Arizona time. Our time does not change here. I hope you're enjoying a little bit of fall wherever you are. And stay tuned for hot topics coming your way in our storyline on both Facebook and Instagram. Ciao for now.